In this video, I'll show you how to share Jotform submissions with others, such as a colleague who needs to review the form responses. Start by logging into your Jotform account. From the home page, locate the form whose responses you want to share. Hover over the form and click on the Submissions button underneath the form name. This will open the submission table where all the responses are listed. To share this data, click on the Share button at the top right-hand side of the table. Then, click on Share Settings. In this menu, scroll down to the Invitation Link Default Role section and set it to Collaborator. This role allows the recipient to view and edit the data in the table. After you've done that, go back and copy the sharing link. You can now send this link to your colleague. When they open the link in a browser, the submission table will load, and they'll be able to view and interact with the data. You'll notice the label Collaborator at the top right, indicating their access level. Keep in mind that the person you're sharing it with must also have a Jotform account. If you'd like to allow additional permissions, go back to the Share settings. For example, enable the Show Download button option. Once enabled, when the collaborator reloads the page, a download button will appear, allowing them to export the data. Alternatively, if you don't want the user to access live data, you can download the submissions yourself in formats such as CSV, Excel, or PDF, and share the file directly through email, WhatsApp, or another method. This gives you complete control over what's shared, and that's how you can share Jotform submissions.